Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been looking for a way to declutter your kitchen cabinets while still having the versatility to cook almost anything, you might want to pay close attention. Today we are looking at the Pigeon 3.2 Quart All-In-One Super Cooker. It is a piece of kitchen hardware that promises to replace multiple pots and pans, but does it actually live up to the hype? Let us start with the design. This is a hard-anodized aluminum vessel, which immediately sets it apart from your standard stainless steel or thin non-stick options. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the lid system. It is not just one pot, but a modular cooking station. You get a pressure cooking lid, a straining lid, and a classic glass lid. This is clever because it covers your bases for everything from high-pressure stews to simple pasta straining or slow simmering. The build quality feels substantial. The base is 4 mm thick, which is critical for heat distribution. In my testing, that thickness translates into even heat retention. Whether you are using a gas range or an induction cooktop, this cooker handles it without those annoying hot spots that lead to burnt beans or unevenly cooked rice. The handles are designed for a comfortable grip, which is a detail many manufacturers overlook but is absolutely vital when you are moving a full pot of hot soup from the stove to the table. Now, let us talk about the pressure cooking performance. It is a genuine time saver. If you are someone who enjoys legumes, grains, or tougher cuts of meat, this will cut your time in the kitchen significantly. Because the seal is tight, the flavors are locked in during the process. You get that depth of flavor that usually takes hours of slow cooking in just a fraction of the time. However, there are a few things to consider before you hit buy. First, the 3.2 quart capacity is perfect for small to medium-sized households. If you are cooking for a large family or doing heavy batch meal prep for the week, you might find this size a bit limiting. Second, because it is hard anodized, you need to be mindful of how you clean it. It is durable, but it prefers gentle hand washing over the harsh cycles of a dishwasher to keep that finish in top shape. To wrap things up, the Pigeon All-in-One Super Cooker is a fantastic value proposition for anyone with limited storage space. It effectively consolidates a pressure cooker, a straining pot, and a Dutch oven into one compact unit. It is sturdy, versatile, and performs exactly how it claims to. If you are looking to simplify your cooking process and stop buying specialized pots that you only use once a year, this is a solid choice. It is efficient, well-built, and frankly, a smart addition to any modern kitchen. Link in the description.